Pacific Coaching Classes near Class 10 Math Part 2 Chapter 5 Coordinate Geometry Practice Set 5.2 compiled by Abhayeshwar Vansali BSc MSc B.Ed for the Pacific Coaching Classes near 2022-2023. Question first. Find the coordinate of the point P if the P divide the line segment joining the point A B in the ratio 2:3. Let the coordinate of the point P be the xy and the point A x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 be the given points. Here x1 is equal to -1, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to -3, and m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Therefore, by section formula we can calculate x is equal to x coordinate is equal to m of x2 plus n of x1 divided by m plus n. Therefore, 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 5. Therefore, x is equal to 1. While the y coordinate of the midpoint, y coordinate of the point P is equal to m of y2 plus n of y1 divided by m plus n. M is equal to 2, y2 is equal to -3, n is equal to 3 and y1 is equal to 7. Means 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to -6 plus 21 is equal to 5. Therefore, 15 upon 5. Then y is equal to 3. The coordinates of the point P are 1 and 3. Question second. In each of the following example, find the coordinates of the point A which divide the segment PQ in the ratio A is to B. P and Q and ratio A is to B is equal to. Second example, P and Q. The coordinates of the P are these and the coordinates of the Q's are these, and the ratio A is to B is 3:4. Third example, the coordinates of the P is 2 and 6. The coordinate of the Q is -4 and 1, and the ratio A is to B is equal to 1:2. First example, the coordinates of the point P is -3 and 7, and the Q is 1 and -4, and the ratio A is to B is equal to 2:1. Solution. Let the coordinate of the point A be the x and y. Point P is let the point P is equal to x1 y1 x2 y2. Here x1 is equal to -3, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 1 and y2 is equal to -4, and A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1. By section formula we get x is equal to A x2 plus B x1 divided by A plus B. 2 into 1 plus 1 into -3 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus 3 upon 3 is equal to -1 upon 3. And the y coordinate of the point A is equal to A y2 plus B y1 divided by A plus B. A of y2 means 2 into -4 plus 1 into 7 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to -8 plus 7 divided by 3, -1 upon 3. The coordinates of the point A are -1 upon 3 and -1 upon 3. Second example, P and Q. Here are the coordinates which we call x1 y1 x2 y2, and here A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. x1 is equal to -2, y1 is equal to -5, x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. bisection formula we get the coordinate of the x is equal to a into x2 plus b into x1 divided by a plus b. 3 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4 is equal to 12 minus 8 divided by 7 is equal to 4 upon 7. The coordinate of the y is equal to ay2 plus by1 divided by a plus b is equal to 3 of 3 plus 4 into minus 5 divided by 3 plus 4 is equal to 9 minus 20 upon 7. Therefore, y coordinate is equal to minus 11 upon 7. The coordinate of the point A are 4 upon 7 and minus 11 upon 7. Third example, here are the coordinates of the P and Q and here is the ratio. Let assume that P is equal to, the coordinates of the P is x1 y1 and the coordinate of the Q is x2 y2 and A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. So bisection formula, x coordinate of the point A is equal to a of x2 plus b of x1 into divided by a plus b. 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 0 upon 3 is equal to 0. The y coordinate of the point A is equal to a y2 plus b y1 divided by a plus b. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 12 divided by 3 is equal to 13 upon 3. The coordinates of the point A are 0 and 13 upon 3. Question third. Find the ratio in which the point T divide the line segment joining the point P and Q having coordinates 6 and minus 8. Solution. Let assume that the coordinate of the P is x1 y1, the coordinate of the Q are x2 y2 and the coordinate of the T are x and y. Here x1 is equal to x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 20, x2 is equal to 6 and y2 is equal to minus 8. X is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 6. Bisection formula, x is equal to m of x2 plus n of x1 divided by m plus n. Minus 1 is equal to m of 6 plus n minus 3 divided by m plus n. Minus n is equal to 6m minus thrice n. Minus n plus thrice n is equal to 6m plus m. Twice n is equal to 7m. Therefore, m upon n is equal to 2 upon 7. m as to n is equal to 2:7. The point T divided the segment PQ in the ratio 2:7. Question 4. The point P is the center of the circle and AB is the diameter. Find the coordinates of the point B if the coordinates of the point A and P are 2 and minus 3 and minus 2 and 0 respectively. Solution. Let assume that the coordinate of the A is equal to x1 y1 and the coordinate of the B is equal to x2 y2 and the coordinate of the P is equal to x and y. Here x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 0. P is the midpoint of the segment AB. By midpoint formula, we get x coordinate of the point is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. X is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Therefore, minus 2 is equal to 2 plus x2 divided by 2. Minus 4 is equal to 2 into x2. x2 is equal to minus 4 minus 2. x2 is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Minus 2 is equal to minus 3 plus y2 divided by 2. Minus 3 plus y2 is equal to 0. y2 is equal to plus 3. The coordinate of the point B are minus 6 and 3. Question 5th. Find the ratio in which the point P, K and 7 divide the segment joining A 8 and 9 and B 1 and 2. Also find the value of K. Solution. Let us assume that the coordinate of the A are x1 y1 and the coordinate of the B are x2 y2 and the coordinate of the P are x and y. Here x1 is equal to 8, y1 is equal to 9, x2 is equal to 1, y2 is equal to 2, x is equal to k and y is equal to 7. By section formula, y is equal to m of y2 plus n of y1 divided by m plus n. 7 is equal to m of 2 plus n of 9 divided by m plus n. 7 is equal to twice m plus 9n divided by m plus n. 7m plus 7n is equal to twice m plus 9n. 7m minus twice m is equal to 9n minus 7n. 5m is equal to twice n. Therefore m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 2. Therefore m is to n is equal to 2 is to 5. The x coordinate is equal to m of x2 plus n of x1 divided by m plus n. K is equal to 2 into 1 plus 5 into 8 divided by 2 plus 5. K is equal to 2 plus 40 divided by 7 is equal to 42 upon 7 is equal to 6. K is equal to 6. The point P divide the segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 5 and the value of the K is 6. Question 6th. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the segment joining the point 22, 20 and 0 and 16. Solution. Let A is equal to x1 y1 is equal to A 22, 20. Let B is equal to x2 y2 is equal to B. Coordinates of the B is 0 and 16. Let the coordinate of the midpoint point P is equal to x and y. By midpoint formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, x is equal to 22 plus 0 divided by 2, x is equal to 11, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2, y is equal to 20 plus 16 divided by 2, y is equal to 36 upon 2, therefore y is equal to 18. The coordinates of the midpoint of the segment joining 22, 20 and 0 and 16 are 11 and 18. Question 7. Find the centroids of the triangle whose vertices are given below. There are 3 examples, out of which the solution of the first is let A is equal to x1 y1 is equal to A is equal to minus 7 and 6. B is equal to x2 y2 is equal to B 2 and minus 2. C is equal to x3 y3 is equal to C's coordinate 8 and 5. By centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 7 plus 2 plus 8 divided by 3. X is equal to 3 upon 3, x is equal to 1. While y coordinate is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus 2 plus 5 upon 3. Therefore y is equal to 9 upon 3. Y is equal to 3. The coordinates of the centroid are 1 and 3. Second, let A is equal to x1 y1 is equal to A 3 and minus 5. B is equal to x2 y2 and B, the coordinates of the B are 4 and 3. The coordinate of the C is equal to x3 y3 is equal to 11 and minus 4. By centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. X is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 11 divided by 3. X is equal to 18 upon 3. X is equal to 6. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Minus 5 plus 3 minus 4 divided by 3. Y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 2. The coordinates of the centroid are 6 and minus 2. Then The third example is 4, 7, 8, 4 and 7, 11. Let us assume that A is equal to x1, y1 is equal to A, 4 and 7. The coordinate of the B is equal to x2, y2 is equal to the coordinate of the B is 8 and 4. And the coordinate of the C is x3, y3 is equal to coordinates of the C 7 and 11. By centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. X is equal to 4 plus 8 plus 7 divided by 3. X is equal to 19 upon 3. X is equal to 19 upon 3. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Y is equal to 7 plus 4 plus 11 divided by 3. Y is equal to 22 upon 3. Y is equal to 22 upon 3. The coordinates of the centroids are 19 upon 3 and 22 upon 3. Question 8. In a triangle ABC, G minus 4 and minus 7 is the centroid. If A is minus 14, minus 19 and B 3 and 5, then find the coordinates of the C. Solution: G, X and Y is equal to, coordinate of the G is minus 4 and minus 7. A is equal to x1, y1 is equal to A minus 14 minus 19. B is equal to x2, y2 and the coordinates of the B is 3 and 5. Let the coordinates of the point C be the x3, y3. G is the centroid. By centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. Minus 4 is equal to minus 14 plus 3 plus x3 divided by 3. Minus 12 is equal to minus 11 plus x3. x3 is equal to minus 12 plus 11. x3 is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Minus 7 is equal to minus 19 plus 5 plus y3 divided by 3. Minus 21 is equal to minus 14 plus y3. Minus 21 plus 14 is equal to y3. Therefore, minus 7 is equal to y3. The coordinates of the point C are minus 1 and minus 7. Question 9. A, H and minus 6. B, 2 and 3. C, minus 6 and K are the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle whose centroid is G, 1 and 5. Find the H and K. Solution: A, x1, y1 is equal to A of H and minus 6. B, x2, y2 is equal to B. The coordinates of the B are 2 and 3. And C, x3, y3, the coordinates of the C is minus 6 and K. Centroid G is equal to xy. Therefore, G is equal to 1 and 5. G is the centroid. By centroid formula, x coordinate is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. 1 is equal to h plus 2 plus minus 6 divided by 3. 3 is equal to h plus 2 minus 6. 3 is equal to h minus 4. H is equal to 3 plus 4. H is equal to 7. Y is equal to y1, y2, y3 divided by 3. Y is equal to minus 6 plus 3 plus k divided by 3. 15 is equal to minus 3 plus k. K is equal to 15 plus 3. K is equal to 18. Therefore, h is equal to 7 and k is equal to 18. Question 10. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment AB with A, 2 and 7 and B, minus 4 and minus 8. Solution: A, 2 and 7, B, minus 4 and minus 8. Suppose the point P and Q trisect the line AB. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. A to P is equal to P to Q and Q to B. Let AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB is equal to X. Therefore, AP upon AB, AP upon AB is equal to AP upon PQ plus QB. AP upon PB is equal to X upon X plus X. Therefore, AP upon PB is equal to X upon twice X is equal to 1 upon 2. The point P divides the segment AB in the ratio 1:2. Bisection formula, x coordinate of the P is equal to m of x2 plus n of x1 divided by m plus n is equal to 1 into minus 4 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2 minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Y coordinates of the point P is equal to m of y2 plus n of y1 divided by m plus n. 1 into minus 8 plus 2 into 7 divided by 1 plus 2 minus 8 plus 14 divided by 3 is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. The coordinate of the point P are 0 and 2. The point Q is the midpoint of the PB. By midpoint formula, the x coordinate of the Q is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. 0 plus minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus 2. Y coordinate of the Q is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. 2 plus minus 8 divided by 2. Minus 6 upon 2 is equal to minus 3. The coordinate of the Q are minus 2 and minus 3. The coordinate of the points of the trisection segment AB are 0 and 2 and minus 2 and minus 3. Question 11. If A is equal to minus 14 minus 10, B is equal to 6 and minus 2 are given, find the coordinate of the point which divide the segment AB into the 4 equal parts. Solution. Let the point C, D and E divide the segment AB in 4 equal parts. A to B. इथं A आणि B चे कोऑर्डिनेट दिलेले आहे. C, D, E हे 3 पार्ट आहेत आणि त्या लाईनला ते 4 सारख्या भागात विभागतात. Point D is the midpoint of the segment AB. By midpoint formula, x coordinate of the D is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Therefore, minus 14 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to minus 8 upon 2 is equal to minus 4. And y coordinate of the D is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Minus 2 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 12 upon 2 is equal to minus 6. The coordinates of the D are minus 4 and minus 6. The point C is the midpoint of the segment AD. So, by midpoint formula, x coordinate of the C is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Minus 14 plus minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 18 upon 2 is equal to minus 9. Y coordinate of the C is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Minus 10 minus 6 divided by 2. Minus 16 divided by 2 is equal to minus 8. The coordinate of the C are minus 9 and minus 8. The point E is the midpoint of the segment DB. By midpoint formula, x coordinate of the E is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Minus 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Y coordinate of the E is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Minus 6 minus 2 divided by 2. Minus 8 upon 2 is equal to minus 4. The coordinate of the C are minus 9 and minus 8. The coordinate of the E are 1 and minus 4. हे चुकीनं म्हटलं गेलं. Therefore, the coordinates of the point dividing segment AB in 4 equal parts are C minus 9 minus 8, D minus 4 and minus 6 and E 1 and minus 4. Question 12. If A is equal to 20 and 10, B is equal to 0 and 20 are given, find the coordinates of the point which divide the segment AB into the 5 congruent parts. Solution. Suppose the points C, D, E and F divide the segment AB in 5 congruent parts. Therefore, AC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FB. AC upon CB is equal to AC upon CD plus DE plus EF plus FB. AC upon CB is equal to X divided by X plus X plus X plus X is equal to X divided by 4X is equal to 1 upon 4. Point C divide the segment AB in the ratio 1:4. By section formula, x coordinate of the C is equal to m of x2 plus n of x1 divided by m plus n. 1 into 0 plus 4 into 20 divided by 1 plus 4 is equal to 80 upon 5 is equal to 16. The y coordinate of the C is equal to m by 2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. 1 into 20 plus 4 into 10 divided by 1 plus 4 is equal to 60 upon 5 is equal to 12. The coordinate of the point C are 60 and 12. E is the midpoint of the segment CB. By midpoint formula, x coordinate of the E is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. 16 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 16 upon 2 is equal to 8. The y coordinate of the E is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. 12 plus 20 divided by 2 is equal to 32 upon 2 is equal to 16. The coordinates of the E are 8 and 16. The D is the midpoint of the segment CE. By midpoint formula, x coordinate of the D is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is equal to 16 plus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 24 upon 2 is equal to 12. Y coordinate of the D is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. 12 plus 16 divided by 2 is equal to 28 upon 2 is equal to 14. The coordinates of the D are 12 and 14. F is the midpoint of the segment EB. F is the midpoint of the segment EB. X coordinate of the F is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. 8 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4. The y coordinate of the F is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. There is equal to 16 plus 20 divided by 2 is equal to 36 upon 2 is equal to 18. The coordinates of the F are 4 and 18. The coordinates of the point dividing segment AB in a 5 congruent parts are the coordinates of the C is equal to 16 and 12. The coordinates of the D is equal to 12 and 14. The coordinate of the E is equal to 8 and 16. And the coordinates of the F is equal to 4 and 18.